we're gonna learn the use of max and min function in Python. Usually, min and max function are used to find the largest and the smallest number in a list. Through max function, you're gonna find the maximum, the biggest number in a list, and with the min function, we're gonna find the minimum or the smallest number in a list. So let's get started with this thing. So first of all, you have to open PyCharm to do the code. Okay, then you have to write some codes. First of all, you have to create a list of numbers. Take the variables in numbers which equals to. You can take any random number. You take 7, then 30, then 15, then 5, and then 30. Okay, then 40. Okay, then 42. Okay, and 23. This is list of numbers. Okay, so we have to find the largest of the numbers. So you can find the largest of the numbers with simple click. The max function. Here we're going to largest equal to max numbers, and then print the largest. Okay, so you have to print the largest because this largest equal to the largest number. Then take a function known as smallest. Okay, take a smallest function is equal to the minimum of the numbers. Okay, take the minimum of those numbers and print the smallest. Okay. Simply print smallest, and the simple thing will happen in a range of minutes. And okay, we already have used this, and now here we see that largest is equal to the max of numbers, which is print the maximum with the biggest number in the print, and smallest variable we have just print out the minimum of the numbers, which will print out the minimum number in this list. So we just uh, click on the run button, and we're going to see that thing is 42 in fact, which is the maximum number. So as per here, 42 is the maximum of the biggest number, and of course 5 is the smallest number in the list. So we have seen the functions with the minimum and the maximum function. That's all for today. Bye.